आज हम पढ़ेंगे A to Z अल्फ़ाबेट। A for apple, B for ball, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, D for dog, A, B, C, D, E for elephant, F for fish, F for fish, G for grapes, H for house, E, F, G, H, I for igloo, J for joker, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion, I, J, K, L, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, M, N, O, P, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for tiger, Q, R, S, T, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for X marks tree, U, V, W, X, Y for yo-yo, Z for zebra,